This is Mark from the QuickBooks team. An estimate allows you to give your customer a quote or proposal for work you plan to do. Let's go over how to create an estimate in QuickBooks Online, some of your customization options, and how to email it to your customer for review. Then we'll show you where to check on the status of your estimate.
To start a new estimate, select New and then Estimate. Under Settings, you can adjust the fields on your estimate and change the design. Note that any changes you make in these sections will apply to future estimates, but you can make changes whenever you want. Under Activity, you can track the progress of your estimate. Select your customer. If you don't see them, you can add them here. You'll see your customer's address and email if you've already added them to QuickBooks. If not, fill them in. Next, select Add Product or Service and enter your proposal for this estimate. If you need to add a new product or service, you can do that here. Add or adjust the quantity and rate as needed for this estimate. You can also add any notes you want displayed on the estimate or attach photos that provide more information about the project. When you're finished, select Email. You'll see the email your customer will receive, which includes a link where they can review and approve your estimate online. When you're ready, select Send Estimate. In the Estimates list, you can see the status of your estimate, including when your customer has viewed it. Note your navigation may look like this.
And you can also create estimates on the go with a QuickBooks mobile app. Now you're ready to create and send estimates in QuickBooks Online.